VEVOR asked me to take a look at this product and make this short video. So let's take it out of the box and check it out. Here it is all put together. It's real easy to do. Instruction manual is helpful. You just got a few bolts there with 10mm size nuts on them to install, as well as threading the casters onto the bottom part there. Rolls around pretty nice. Let's get some chairs on it and see how it works. And here it is all loaded up. This is easily going to carry 14 chairs. I've got 13 on here today, but I've got a variety of sizes. So these are a little bit larger and they're padded. These are just a different size than your typical folding chair. And these here are the more standard sized folding chairs. They're a little bit thinner. And so you could easily hit, of the standard size, 14 of these chairs on the roller. It's really convenient the way it's got these little nubs here that hold them from sliding off. They also give you a strap that can help you keep it secure while you're moving it around from place to place. Having your chairs all racked up nice like this is convenient because you can see which ones need to have the rubber feet replaced, as in these here, because they're falling, they're cracking and coming off. So we can repair those. It's just an easy way to keep organized, and when you've got to take it out to the event, they slide so nice. So very compact, keeps it nice and low. And nice and flat, so you can get these chairs stuffed into a warehouse or storage and not take up a lot of room. So this is the VEVOR folding chair rack. Real pleased with it. I think you will be too. Hope that helps. Have a great day.